what starts to happen is you'll start to get confused and you'll start adding accidentally one extra stitch at the end of your work. And that's because you didn't mark down where it begins and where it ends. In the beginning, I needed little stitch markers to put in my work in various places to count my stitches all the time. And I don't really need to do that anymore. Unless it's like a large piece of work, I'll still need to do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is where we started. So we want to have a stitch marker there to indicate when we come to the other side, that's where we start. I can't find another stitch marker right now. I don't feel like looking for it. So we'll use a safety pin to mark this side when I get started. So let's do 1. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll go in through here. And that's 1. And we want to mark this first stitch with my safety pin. Don't stab yourself. And there you go. If you don't have stitch markers, you can make your own really quick, like so. Just snip a bit and weave this into your stitch like this. It's a pain, but you can do it. It's not that bad. And you could just kind of make a little knot out of it. I didn't cut a big enough bit, but you get my drift. So the next time that you go through there, you know that's where you're at. And then you can slip it right out. Unless, of course, you create a knot like I did. This isn't working out. Because I have no direction. I don't know what I'm doing. This is terrible. The worst video ever. So this is where my stitch marker is at. That indicates the 5th one. I didn't even bother counting it. Because I'm so smart, I put a stitch marker at the end. How nice. Voila. Your 5 stitches. Doot, doot, doot. No clue what I could make with this. But it's cool. All done. Doot, doot.